At the outbreak of World War II in 1939, the Southern Railway Company realised its London headquarters at Waterloo was vulnerable from enemy bombs. A direct hit might cripple the entire network, taking out telephone services, traffic controls and hundreds of staff. As an emergency measure, the company purchased the recently closed Deepdene Hotel in Surrey. As well as being far from the daily aerial bombraids that hit London, Deepdene had an advantage of good transport links and an extensive system of sandstone tunnels. It was in these tunnels, enlarged and strengthened with brick and concrete in 1941, that the Southern Railway built the underground telephone exchange and traffic control centre, hidden from the air and protected by steep banks of earth. Right.
Yeah, you can tell that something's been going on here because it's like trodden halfway into the...
Nice bit of door there. Torches at the ready.
And it's still open.
A few trip hazards down here. Oh mate, that is straight away.
Yeah. So good indication no one's actually broken.
Well, this place is massive.
Yeah, it's quite big.
Wow. That's pretty old rules.
Luckily I wasn't recording.
So it's like a tag team approach of like meeting women there. You get your really good looking male friend to like catch a woman, and then you get her back home, and you turn the lights off, and then you swap out.
Wow. You have a look at this machinery in here.
What's your rate on these items? Makes me think it should be in Europe. There is actually. Look at this. So this is the old telephone exchange.
You've got your through night, haven't you?
Yeah. Mask must be fair.
Yeah, I was just thinking that myself.
This is where the cables would have come in. So you'd unscrew those, put the metal in from the wire casing, and then screw it up. And that's kind of like a analog patch panel. I think that's what I'm standing.
Yeah. Some of the original. Is that what it is?
Yeah, got wires there.
Yeah. It's quite well preserved.
Well, it's on a location where you wouldn't realise it was here. You know, if it wasn't for what I saw on Facebook, we and Stephen didn't know about it from the other day.
Yeah, we got lucky.
I'm surprised because it's quite like it obviously looks like a nice.
You dirty bastard.
Try to be serious. The chuckle box.
Oh, f yeah.
What bastard?
Oh, massive. Oh, there's a couple of massive. One up there. I'm not getting too close to it.
Oh yeah. That's a false widow, mate.
Yeah.
Don't get bitten by that.
Do you know what? We saw that
Is that a dead end?
Still that long.
Yeah, it's dead end. There's a massive bloody sack of them.
Yeah.
We saw the cock, now seen the sack.
That's cable channel or
The sewage.
So this will lead us to the toilet, Steve.
Yeah, we always find the toilets.
Yeah.
I didn't explore the other day actually. I think I mentioned it to Alex if you watched it.
Yeah, I heard. I think, is it one you've already prepped?
Wooden telephone lamps.
So we have a thing of finding the toilets.
Have you noticed what's on this side of them?
Yeah.
It's the old dial.
What's this then? These are like bells or something.
I'll get photographs afterwards, I think.
Look how cool it is. These bells are
That's what. Yeah, that's what we would say.
some sort of
We're
alarm.
here.
Here.
We've got a bayonet bulb socket up there.
They're quite heavy. Actually.
This rack there.
Oh, look at that rag.
Oh, I love a rack.
You see this old passenger down there? You see that?
A bit low light helps, that's better. That looks eerie as
Some cinematic.
Okay, wait, sorry. Okay.
Test out the new computer later on with this, I think.
Have you still got a new update where you can unlock your phone with the mask on?
Yeah.
So handy.
I've got some perfect music for this bit. Nah. My favourite music to put on any video.
Where did you get your original music from, right?
YouTube studio, YouTube royalty free music.
Yeah.
You mean the eerie sound I put?
Yeah, that's the background.
I quite like it.
I'll send you. I've got it on my.
No, that's your trademark. Then.
I wish. I don't feel like I want to put a sticker in here.
Why?
I don't know. At the entrance maybe, but not in here. What's on the other side of this room then? What?
I was surprised how well,
It's amazing, isn't it?
yeah.
Shame we can't do a live down here.
Yeah, but it depends on what the bridge is.
That's true.
That's why when we were in the course, I did it.
Oh, this is getting hot. It's cool.
You got that one?
Yeah. Oh wow, sort of event. Is this the air filter?
Yeah. Oh, it's fun.
It's got a strap in it.
Yeah.
Little clip attached. Oh yeah. Check him out.
You see that, right?
Alright, come back.
People bloody beating it with stickers.
Can you just film this? I'm just keeping an eye on that.
Yep, got it.
In that case, as you put one on here, Steve, I might have to do the same.
It's definitely the spot, isn't it?
Right, that's an awkward one reading that. Good.
Correct, yeah.
Right.
Still looks cinematic.
I was,
and
yeah.
fresh.
I'm just used to doing that's it. Mine's all good.
Check these guys out.
I do like the colours of mine.
It is more vibrant.
Yeah.
To be fair. Mine's got one.
I think it do go well together because they're different contrasts,
Yeah.
different colours. Like the black goes nice with the green.
Yeah,
Yeah,
nice
it's a really nice green. That.
white edge on it. Okay.
Yeah, I like that. That's cool. That.
So yeah, we've got the.
I think it's Matt will see
filtration.
it, but it's just pretend he hasn't noticed.
Yeah. Got the air filtration there. Let's get the torch out. Sorry. Put it in the back pocket.
Oh, that looks like. Would you say a battery?
Oh yeah, that
Battery
is. Yeah.
cells in there.
Yeah.
You know those big 12-volt batteries?
There's another one down here.
Very corrosive.
Yeah.
Very green.
Oh yeah.
Isn't it if you buy them, like the big square ones, say in B&Q or something, it's worthwhile because they contain the other batteries inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're better off buying the big ones like that and separating it.
Oh, are these the Imminous stairs, Steve?
Imminous.
Yeah, so at the top,
Oh wow.
I put my foot on the platform and it literally buckled sort of 3-4 inches.
Really?
Yeah, so I nearly fell.
Right, so one's going to be the plastic.
Don't go up the top, mate. Don't go any more than about 6-7 feet.
Where does it lead to?
The escape shaft at the top.
Is that
I can show you. No, it's open.
Okay.
Because I climbed through it, and that's where I nearly fell down.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see how bloody.
Why would you climb it if you saw it was like that, though, Steve? Showing off.
No, I didn't realise at the top that it would buckle. Because we were originally going to come in this way.
Room for yours, Matt.
I haven't got any with me.
Oh, shit.
That's the trio mount, that is.
Holy Trinity.
Yeah.
There is something in there, Matt.
See the corroded batteries and that.
Like 4D cells.
Yeah, exactly.
There's a staircase in there, Matt, but I don't know whether you want to climb it because Steve nearly plummeted.
I was just saying that at the top, I stood on the metal plate and it buckled sort of 3, 4 or 5 inches and I nearly plummeted.
Ooh.
So,
Okay.
I was pulled to safety.
They've still got flask. I don't want them that way.
Do you reckon that was ready?
It would smell like bacon now.
Yeah, exactly.
I did read that they had temperature, so they might have radiators kind of bring up to temperature.
Yeah, how will they powered?
So that's good.
Yeah.
And the electric back and forth,
Yeah, could be.
but it's quite small. And also radiators, you have to
Cave in or something.
I thought it was a train or something.
Oh, yeah. I did do a little wee.
Don't know you, Alex, got a minute to get the balloon out.
Yeah, I am now. Are we going this way then?
Yeah, we haven't been this way yet.
Very corroded things and there's a hole there.
I thought you saw it, that's why I didn't say anything.
I was too busy looking at the corroded bins.
I think the drainage that caused it like
Yeah, so,
snake.
What, because of the dust?
Yeah.
Yeah. But what sort of shots would you get for different, you know what I mean?
Just go forward at speed.
Yeah.
That's all you can get rid of. And the thing is, because you got no GPS.
Mind the hole in the floor, Matt.
Yeah, you've got
stabilisers don't work.
Yeah. But the sensors work, I don't know, so...
Yeah, you got accelerometers and
Oh, you haven't got the tripod, did you?
no, I left my bag at the car.
I've got mine on me.
Oh, we could get a group shot in here.
Yeah,
I'll
I've got
find
mine
that.
on me. Want to do that on? You want to do that on that one with the tunnel? Just like
Yeah, I would say so.
I need to set my camera off.
Yeah, do you want to do it now?
that?
Now. Yeah, and the other half, the other door handle's outside.
Yeah, I noticed that on the flower bit.
Right, mind the hole as you go through.
Well, yeah. Down there.
Yeah, well, it's more to go. Yeah.
Right, watch that
Oh,
hole.
we've done that, haven't we?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not massive, it's not small, it's kind of...
No, but from the pictures you see on Facebook, it's
I mean, it's well preserved, that's what I like about it. It's got these little wood and light fixtures and fittings and the original sort of structure, supports.
and it's nice not to see so much. Oh.
It's checking it down with rain, so... a bit wet.
Stay in here.
Really?
But,
I've got photos already.
yes. We'll, yeah, still got lots of interesting structures.
Right, so we're coming to the end of the explore now. That was the Deepdene Southern Railway Communications tunnels. If you liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe if you're new, and so you don't miss another. Hit the bell. I'll see you in the next one.